Good morning, children. So after completing chapter number 9, we will be starting discussing the NCERT worksheet of chapter 9, soil. Worksheet number 17. So each one of you kindly write your name, class, section, roll number. Your question number 1 is pick the appropriate answers. Yes, Vansh Sharma. First is various layers of soil are called.
Ma'am, the various layers of soil are called soil profile.
Soil profile. Okay. So this answer is the right one, A option. Question number 2 is Vedika. Organic matter is found in which layer?
Topsoil.
Topsoil. It is found in the topsoil. A well-developed soil profile is a result of physical processes, chemical processes, organic processes, or all of these. Yes, any one of you? Yes, Fiona? Okay, Praveen. All of these. So all of these processes are included in it. Fungi and bacteria grow mostly in which layer of the soil? Mukul Jain? Fungi and bacteria. Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, I think topsoil.
They grow in topsoil. Okay, number 5. Study of the following characteristics and identify the type of soil. Particles are large and it has large spaces between them. Second is soil tend to be light, well aerated and rather dry. So which can be on the basis of these characteristics, which can be the best
Sandy
one?
soil.
Yes, it is a sandy soil. You know, sandy soil has large particles and large spaces between them. Which of the following statement is true for silt? Type of soil particles occurs in riverbed, A and B both. So A and B both can be the answer, C part. A soil which is formed by the deposition of silt is called what type of soil? Alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, and laterite soil.
Ma'am, alluvial soil.
Yes, so it will be the alluvial soil. I hope each one of you have done all the MCQs. B part, complete the following statements using the appropriate words. So children, everybody has done that MCQs. Now let's start with the next part. So each one of you have to fill the words over here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vital.
Ma'am, please tell the answer of 7th part.
A part, A option, alluvial soil.
Okay,
Nishay,
ma'am.
you can tell me. Complete the following statement using the appropriate words. First is polythene bags and plastics
Pollute the soil.
pollute the soil. Okay.
And kill the organisms living in the soil.
And kill the organisms living in the soil. Next is soil is formed by breaking down of rocks. Next, by the action of
Wind, water, and air.
wind. Wind, water, and rain. Wind, water, and rain. The nature of soil depends upon the dash from which it has been formed. So nature of the soil on which it depends. Children, this paragraph is from your book, from your NCERT book. Kindly find it out.
Upon the rocks.
Upon the rocks. Upon the rocks from which it has been formed, and the type of dash grows
Vegetation.
in vegetation. Type of vegetation grows in it. The downward movement of water through soil is called
Percolation.
Yes, you can say the downward movement of water through soil is called. Anyone, any idea? You can say percolation or absorption also. Yes, children, I want each one of you to kindly switch on your cameras. So the downward movement of water through soil is called percolation. Kindly write down. Percolation. So each one of you have completed. Question number C part is match the following columns. Number 1 is layer of large unweathered rock. Kindly raise your hand, children. What we can say, the layer of large unweathered rock. Anybody is having any idea? So we can match it with the bedrock. Second is the natural process that causes rock to break down. What that process is known as? Children, raise your hands. What that process is known as?
Ma'am, weathering.
Yes. Kindly raise your hand. That process is known as weathering. So this is the A part. Next is dark colored organic matter that makes soil fertile. Rest also can raise hand, children. Yes, Vansh Sharma.
Ma'am, humus.
That is known as humus, the dark colored organic matter which makes the soil fertile. That is a humus. Number 4, the condition of too much water in the soil. If the water will be too much.
Ma'am, soil erosion.
No, beta, no. Find another one also. See the another.
Ma'am, waterlogging.
Yes, water logging. Can you tell me in which soil the water logging is there? Either sandy soil, either clay soil, or either loamy soil. In which the water can. Yes, it is in the clay soil.
Loamy soil.
No, beta, it is in the clay soil because the particles are very fine. So the water logging may take place. Okay. Next, number 5, water found in the pores of soil.
Capillary water.
Yes, the water found in the pores of soil, that is known as capillary water.
Capillary water.
Capillary water. Number 6, organism that decay all plant and animals remains.
Ma'am,
That is-
decomposers.
Yes, that is known as decomposers. Rest of the children, you can also raise your hand. Loss of fertile topsoil.
Ma'am, soil erosion.
Kindly raise your hand, children. Yes, Mahi, give the answer. Mahi Gupta. Fiona.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Fiona.
Yes, ma'am, soil erosion.
Yes, the loss of fertile top layer, that is known as soil erosion. Next, cutting down of the trees on the large scale. It's known as
Deforestation.
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 About it. So it is a deforestation. Utkarsh Pandey, is it right? Deforestation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Switch on your cameras, children. Switch on your cameras. So each one of you have done this. Match the column.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Should I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now to the next question. D part. Very short answer type questions. So children, here you have to identify X, Y, Z in the given figure showing the layers of soil. So one by one, you have to tell me. Fiona, switch on your camera. Ayan, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me what does X stands for?
Ma'am, X is humus.
X is humus. X is humus. Okay. Second layer, water has been given for you. Now the turn of Y. What does Y stands for? Praveen, can you tell?
Ma'am, why for clay?
Y is for
Clay.
clay. Okay, good. And what does Z stands for?
Sand. Ma'am, sand.
It's sand. Good. Okay, children, good. So I must use an arrow over here. So is it clear each one of you? X stands for humus and Y stands for clay. Z stands for sand. And last is already option is already given to you. That is a gravel. Okay, continue with the next question number 2. Which type of soil would you be the best for making pots? Kindly raise your hands only. Pots, toys, and statues. Which soil is the best one? Rest also, children, you can answer. Kavya,
Ma'am, can I answer?
Lavish, Mukul. Wait, Fiona, wait. Kindly unmute and give the answer.
Ma'am, clay soil.
Why? Clay soil. Your answer is right. Clay soil is the best soil for growing.
Ma'am, because ma'am, there ma'am the intermolecule space is low and ma'am it makes some sticky cotton.
Okay. So one option has been given by Vansh. Anybody else? Children, you have to write down the reason also why clay soil is used. Anyone else who can give the answer? Why clay soil only? Yes, Tanvi Bakshi, where are you today? Don't want to give the answers? Yes, Nishchay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, clay soil because it is in clay soil the proportion of fine particles is relatively high.
Yes. So you may write down that the fine particles are high in the clay soil. That's why it is used to make pots, toys, and statues, etc. Number 3. What is the role of
Ma'am,
humus
can you-
in the soil?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question 2? Clay
Yes,
soil
beta.
because...
Clay soil has the fine particles. That's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Role of humus in the soil. Lavish. Yes, Lavish. Praveen. Shivam Sharma. Tanvi. Tushar. Kindly unmute and give the answer. Because what does the humus does? Humus makes the topsoil fertile. Kindly write down. Humus makes the soil fertile. Children, I won't be writing. You will write yourself. Humus क्या करता है? Makes the soil fertile. Next, arrange sand, clay, and silt according to their particle size. So first will be clay. Clay will be number 1. After that, sand or silt? Silt, then sand. Number 3 पे sand आएगा. Next, what does loamy soil contains? Who will tell me? What does loamy soil contain? It is a combination of Bhavya Joshi. Won't give the answer. Bhumi Chaudhary. All are muted. Yes,
Loamy
Abhigyan.
soil is a mixture of sand
And,
and clay.
Sand,
loamy
silt,
soil
and
is
clay.
the-
Kindly write down.
Sand, silt, and clay.
Sand, silt, and clay. It is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay. Next, E part. During a hot summer day, the air above farmlands appear shimmering. Why it is so? During a hot summer day, the air above farmlands appear shimmering. Why? So children, anybody is having any idea? What happens? Kindly write down. Because on a hot summer day, write down children. What happens? The vapor coming out of the soil reflect the sunlight.
Ma'am, can I answer, Fiona?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Vapors coming
soil-
out of soil
The,
reflects
the
the
soil. Ma'am,
Yes.
please, can I?
yes, yes.
The soil in the farmlands contains some water. On a hot summer day, this soil evaporates to form water vapor. The water vapor coming out of the soil reflects the sunlight irregularly, due to which the air above the soil seems to shimmer.
Yes, good. Therefore, air above the soil seems to shimmer. Okay, write down children. Seems to shimmer.
Ma'am, please wait for 4 to 5 minutes.
4 to 5 minutes. Why 4 to 5 minutes? Hurry up, write down. Because you know soil has water in it, and the vapors coming out of the soil reflect sunlight, and air above the soil seems to be shimmer. So you may write down. Next, Anya, read the question number 2. Piyush
conducted an experiment in the field related to the rate of percolation. She observed that it took 40 minutes for 320 ml of water to percolate through the soil sample. Calculate the rate of percolation.
Okay. Already we have done the rate of percolation. Can you tell how to calculate? Amount of water divided by time taken. So what can be written here?
Ma'am, 320 divided by 40 minutes.
Yes, very good. 320 divided by 40 minutes. So you may find out the answer. What will be the answer? 8 milliliter oblique minute. Okay. But before doing this, you have to write down, children, you have to write down the formula also. So this was your worksheet number 17. Done each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please wait.